Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of foldable smartphones, specifically the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This groundbreaking device has generated immense buzz, but is it truly a game changer or merely an incremental upgrade? Let's uncover all the exciting details, rumors, and innovations about the Z Fold 7 and what it means for the future of mobile technology. A shift in innovation. Samsung's strategy. Samsung has been a leader in the foldable smartphone market, but recent insights suggest that the Z Fold 7 might not bring revolutionary changes. According to a report from Samsung's manufacturing partner, the real innovations could be reserved for the 2026 slate of foldable devices. This means the Z Fold 7 might focus on refining existing features, rather than introducing groundbreaking advancements. While this approach may seem conservative, it aligns with Samsung's strategy of perfecting its flagship devices. The Z Fold 7's design and core features are expected to remain consistent with its predecessor, the Z Fold 6. However, this doesn't mean the Z Fold 7 lacks excitement. On the contrary, the device is rumored to include subtle yet impactful enhancements that cater to user demands. Display enhancements and AI integration. The Z Fold 7 is expected to feature an 8-inch main display, an upgrade from the 7.6-inch screen of the Z Fold 6. This increase provides users with more screen real estate, making multitasking and content consumption more immersive. The cover display is rumored to measure 6.5 inches, maintaining its user-friendly dimensions for single-handed use. Samsung is also focusing on reducing the crease in the foldable display, a feature that has been a pain point for many users. Improved display brightness and color accuracy are expected, ensuring that the Z Fold 7 delivers a visually stunning experience. One of the standout features of the Z Fold 7 is its integration of AI capabilities. These include writing assistance, content summarization, call transcription, and advanced spelling and grammar checks. These smart functions aim to enhance productivity and provide a seamless user experience. Build quality and durability. Durability remains a top priority for foldable smartphones, and Samsung is reportedly introducing a new hinge design for the Z Fold 7. This design aims to minimize the visibility of the crease and enhance the device's overall structural integrity. Additionally, the Z Fold 7 might feature tougher glass for both the main and cover displays, offering better resistance to scratches and impacts. Water resistance is another area where the Z Fold 7 is expected to shine. With a potential IPX8 rating, the device could offer improved protection against water damage. The hinge mechanism may also be modified to prevent dust infiltration, a common issue with older foldable models. Camera innovations. Samsung is set to elevate the camera capabilities of the Z Fold 7. The device is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel main camera, a significant upgrade from the 50-megapixel sensor on previous models. This enhancement promises sharper images and better low-light performance. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses are also expected to receive upgrades, with improved optical zoom capabilities. The under-display selfie camera on the main screen may be enhanced for better image quality, and the cover screen selfie camera could see similar improvements to deliver superior video calling experiences. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Z Fold 7 is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, offering substantial performance gains. This includes faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and enhanced gaming capabilities. With up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options starting at 256 GB, the device is poised to handle demanding tasks with ease. The Z Fold 7 will likely run on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7 overlay. This combination is expected to introduce new features optimized for the foldable form factor, such as improved split-screen functionality and gesture controls. Software updates will also play a crucial role in enhancing security and introducing new features over time. Battery and charging. Battery life is a critical factor for foldable devices, and the Z Fold 7 aims to address this with a 4,500 mAh battery. Coupled with efficient hardware and software, this should provide ample usage time. Fast charging capabilities are expected to improve, supporting up to 25W wired charging or higher. Wireless charging, including reverse wireless charging, is also anticipated, adding to the device's convenience. Samsung may also introduce new power-saving technologies tailored for foldable devices, allowing users to extend battery life when needed. These enhancements ensure that the Z Fold 7 meets the demands of power users and tech enthusiasts alike. Pricing and availability. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is projected to launch around July 2025, with an expected price tag of approximately $1,800. While this premium pricing aligns with previous foldable models, Samsung might offer trade-in deals and financing options to make the device more accessible. Extended warranties and service bundles could also enhance the value proposition for potential buyers. Competition in the foldable market. Samsung faces stiff competition from brands like Honor, Vivo, Xiaomi, and Google. These companies have consistently pushed the boundaries of foldable phone technology, offering thinner designs and advanced features. The Google Pixel Fold, for instance, boasts a unique design and leverages Google's software expertise to stand out in the market. Motorola and Oppo are also strong contenders, each bringing their own strengths and innovations to the table. As foldable technology continues to evolve, consumers can expect better displays, stronger hinges, and more intuitive software across the board. The future of foldable technology. Beyond the Z Fold 7, the future of foldable devices looks promising. Research on rollable and stretchable displays is paving the way for more portable and adaptable gadgets. These advancements could lead to devices with screens that fold, roll, or stretch, offering unprecedented versatility. Samsung is exploring ways to utilize additional screen space on foldable devices, focusing on enhanced multitasking and app designs. This innovation is set to redefine how users interact with their smartphones, making them more productive and efficient. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 represents a step forward in the evolution of foldable smartphones. With larger displays, enhanced durability, and cutting-edge performance, it aims to deliver a superior user experience. While it may not introduce groundbreaking changes, the Z Fold 7's refinements and new features make it a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts. As we await the official launch, the Z Fold 7 continues to generate excitement and speculation. Stay tuned to technology in the future for the latest updates and insights on this and other innovative devices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content.